10 days ago, we disqualified the biggest AI model ever for missing its own deadline. 2 days ago, 1.56 terabytes landed. We checked the repo. Here's the verdict. Kimi K3 is the strongest open weights model you can download today, but it does not take our open crown. And the reason is one clause in a license file. Here's why this matters. On July 17th, we ranked the truly open models. Our on-camera rule was simple. Weights downloadable today. MIT or Apache. No exceptions. We told you we'd check K3 on July 27th. K3 shipped. So now we hold it to the same rule everyone else got. No favors. First, the drop. We checked the repo ourselves. On July 27th, the weights went live at Moonshot I/Kimi K3. That's 1.56 terabytes across 96 shards, with custom inference code. Roughly 99,000 downloads the same day. The API had already launched July 16th. The reception was loud. Over 4,000 Hugging Face likes in the first 30 minutes. Hugging Face's CEO, Clem DeLange, called it the fastest release growth the platform has seen. The main Hacker News thread hit 1,368 points and 538 comments. Now the specs, straight from the model card. Moonshot's card says 2.8 trillion total parameters. 104 billion activated per token. Press reports saying around 50 billion are wrong. It has 896 experts, a 1 million token context, and native MXFP4. Next, the capability case. Independent numbers only. On the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, as of July 29th, Kimi K3 scores 57. That makes it the #1 open weights model. GLM 5.2 scores 51. After 6 weeks on top, it's demoted to #2. On Arena.ai's front-end code. Arena, K3 took first place at 1679, surpassing Claude Fable 5. That's a jump from the last version's rank of 18. On the main text arena, it's hovering in the top 10, still marked preliminary. On Artificial Analysis's briefcase agentic eval, K3 hit an ELO of 1543, second behind Fable 5. But it averaged 1057 and about 56 minutes per task, powerful and expensive. And here's the number absent from Moonshot's launch charts. On Artificial Analysis Omniscience test, the hallucination rate is about 51%. That's up from the previous 39%. The metric punishes confident guessing instead of admitting it doesn't know. Factual accuracy did improve. Confidence got worse. Now the license. We read the actual file. It is not MIT. It is not Apache. It's a bespoke Kimi K3 license. Hugging Face itself just tags it Other. The last version at least called itself Modified MIT. K3 dropped even that. The key clause. Any model as a service business with over $20 million in revenue over any 12 months must sign a separate agreement with Moonshot before any commercial use. Big products must also display Kimi K3 in their interface. Kevin Xu called that threshold comically low. Essentially, every cloud reseller meets it. But honesty both ways. For individuals and for almost every company watching this, none of those clauses ever trigger. You can download it, run it, fine-tune it, and ship it freely. The gate targets clouds and inference resellers, not you. Now, practicality. It's 1.56 terabytes. Even crushed to 1 bit, the community version measures 567 gigabytes. We checked the file listing. Hacker News Math says you'd need roughly 1.5 terabytes of VRAM. 8 B200s, realistically 16. So you'll use the API. Hosted pricing standardized instantly at $3 and $15 per $1 million tokens on OpenRouter. Compare that to GLM 5.2 at $140 and $440. K3 is stronger and it costs more. 2 crowns now exist. Strongest open weights model you can download. Kimi K3. The independent numbers are real. #1 open on Artificial Analysis. #1 on Front-End Arena. But our truly open list? GLM 5.2 keeps the throne. Our rule was MIT or Apache, no exceptions. K3 is neither. The list gains an asterisk, not a new king. Open weights isn't one thing anymore. Know which one you're downloading before you build on it.